Here's my crispy, spicy chili chicken fry. Let me show you how I made it. Let's start with our fresh ingredients. We have chicken, onions, garlic, and ginger. And over here the rest. Let's look at our ingredients. Here are some aromatic anise seeds. And over here are more wonderful spices. Here are our spice powders, and our egg, lemon for freshness, and corn flour. Let's mix. Time to mix in the masala paste. Look at that perfect coating. Perfect, all mixed. Now for the stove. Time to get these marinated pieces sizzling. In you go, nice and steady. Here it is, my special chili chicken.